I'm Rafael Turla from ACT Occupational. I will discuss the occupational health and safety procedures. Number 1. Always ground or discharge yourself before touching any part of the computer. Number 2. Do not work alone so that there's someone who can take care of you in case of accident or emergency. 3. Be careful with the tools that may cause short circuit. 4. Always pull the cable connector on the handle and not on the cable itself. 5. Use only rubber shoes when standing on the ground or in a concrete floor. 6. Make sure that the pins are properly aligned when connecting a cable connector. Number 7. Always power off and unplug the computer before working on it. Number 8. Take away any liquids such as water or soft drinks near your working area or near computers. Number 9. Contingency measures during workplace accidents, fire and other emergencies are recognized. Number 10. Personal protective equipment is correctly used in accordance with organization, OHS procedures, and practice. Number 11. Hazard risks and the workplace and their corresponding indicators are identified to minimize or eliminate risk to co-workers, workplace, and environment. Number 12. Take necessary precautions to protect the component of the computer from damage caused by electrostatic discharge or ESD. Number 13. Hold the components by edges and do not touch the ICs. Number 14. Read and follow instruction on the manual carefully. And lastly, number 15. Do not use expensive force if things don't quite slip into places. That is the occupational health and safety procedures. Thank you.